Check out how you are still. I hear about make with it. What is that? Yes.
Yeah, let me man still. Let me man still.
Lock up your ass. I went to your hotel, look at people money.
I know, it was the same money, you know. Let me man still. Put it on.
Wow, that's a lot of hair. What are you going to do with that hair now? Afraid to be asked what he kick you.